Hi there and welcome back to our fourth video from the social media series. And following the two last videos where we share with you some tips about Facebook and Twitter, today I want to give you and share with you some tips about TripAdvisor and how can you manage effectively your hotel there. So first, the agenda. I'm gonna share with you the customer evolution that occurs. Then we're gonna give you some information why TripAdvisor is the leader in guest reviews, then some tips to improve guest reviews and ranking on TripAdvisor, and then the conclusion. So a lot of things change in the consumer behavior after the appearance of social media websites. So currently customers trust more in real people reviews than in your hotel marketing message or in tour operators brochure. So it's with no surprise that more than 60% of the consumers decide to book only after reading some user reviews. So let's travel to Paris, France, the second competitive market that is flooded with international chains. So in the perspective for independent hotel, battling and competing with this international chain, they have a hard task in front of them. But reality tells us that the top-rated hotels by guests on TripAdvisor are independent hotels. In fact, in 2010, a small 3-star hotel, only 20 rooms, was chosen the best place to stay in Paris by the user reviews, so by their own clients. The money that they spent to do this was zero. They have a huge marketing bomb there. Their awareness on the web increased exponentially, and they spent $0. So you don't need to be big to win guests, you just need to be resourceful and have the right knowledge. So why TripAdvisor is the leader in guest reviews? So it's the first place to search for a hotel review, so it's the biggest player in guest reviews on the web. They have more than 35 million unique monthly visitors. They have 50 million registered members, so they have a huge community. And more than 30 million reviews and opinions can be found there. Also, a key feature they have that is quite important for hoteliers is that the owners of the hotel are able to interact with reviews by responding directly to them. Their information will be posted directly on the hotel profile and available to all clients to see. So what actions can you take to have a good ranking on TripAdvisor? So first is be on TripAdvisor. So go to TripAdvisor.com. On the search box, type your hotel name and see if any results come. If you're already there, great, you can start and promote your hotel there by checking the reviews, the existing ones, and respond to them. If you are not there, ask TripAdvisor to be listed there. You can do that easily online using the owner option. So engage your guests. So create a post-stay email and ask your clients to submit a review. This can be a short text email just with a link to your profile in TripAdvisor, where they can click and go directly to TripAdvisor with your profile open and just need to review your hotel. So share your property reviews. So all that information that you have on TripAdvisor can be transposed to your hotel website. Actually, TripAdvisor have a gadget that is quite simple code that you can retrieve on TripAdvisor.com or ask your webmaster to do that and insert the gadget where all reviews will be available on your website. Also, you can just share the information throughout your social network hub like Facebook and Twitter. Embrace other opinions, so respond immediately and with empathy to negative posts. So this is quite important because you don't want to be something negative about your hotel be loose on the web. You need to the information will be there, you can't erase it there, but you can respond and the information can be there from your version of the information, and you can demystify some information that is there. So on TripAdvisor, use the owner response center to post your comments. Improve your brand loyalty. So keep a close relationship with your guests, and particularly the one that posts positive reviews about you. So these are the best reference to you. You can use this information as good reference throughout brochures, throughout telephone calls that someone is asking, well, where I can see some information about your hotel. So if you have a good reviews or a good reviews management, because you respond always to the existing reviews, you can say, hey, go to TripAdvisor, check my profile, and you're going to see that all the clients are satisfied with my property, and I will welcome you as I always do with a perfect service. So consumer generated content. So what is this? So this is user content created. So it's free content that users created to you, to your website. So this is quite important because all content created for you, first, is free. Secondly, they are indexed by search engines, including Google. And then you can, with that content, you can bring some keywords from that content and insert in your website to improve your SEO ranking, so search engine optimization. So, concluding the presentation, the websites like TripAdvisor will help your hotel to leverage the playing field with big chains. Aiming to be number one on Google is a hard task and a task that takes long, but if you spend the correct amount of energy and time on social media websites like TripAdvisor, Facebook and Twitter, you will obtain great information and great benefits because you're going to have a social media brand awareness on the web. Always engage your customer to write the reviews. So keep pressing your clients to put good reviews or reviews on TripAdvisor and on the web, because more than 80% are positive. And keep monitoring and sharing and respond to the published content. So this should be something on your to-do list, and you can do this on a weekly basis. So thank you for your time. You can share comments with me, you can send me an email, or you can tweet me. I'll be happy to reply to all comments that you send me. So have a great day, and thank you for your time.